CRs of both the classes CS and IT, please drop a message in your group to join the lab for the remaining students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Who is the CR for CSC branch? Who is CR of CSC branch?
Yes, sir.
Tanmay.
What's name? Abhishek Kumar.
Tanmay Chauhan.
Tanmay Chauhan. Okay, and for IT branch?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, Prajwal Chope.
Ujjwal या Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal. Okay. So today's class is very important because I am giving the basic information about the MATLAB using some examples on image processing. So please drop a message in your group for the remaining students so they can join the class. Okay, I have shared the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So start करते हैं है ना? Only 63 students are present right now. So how many students are familiar with the MATLAB? Okay, so this MATLAB, it is a software. Just type here. Okay. So you can get many information on this MATLAB. Just click. It gives the basic information. Then MATLAB. The full form of this MATLAB, it is Matrix Laboratory. Okay, it is Matrix Laboratory. Now, the head office of this MATLAB, which is a software, is situated in the USA with a website mathworks.com. So you can get maximum information about the MATLAB. So here it is products. This section contains different types of MATLAB toolbox, and this is the simulating part. Here you can drag and connect different components to design any model. Solutions is also here. These are the different applications where you can use MATLAB: automatic driving, computational biology, data science, deep learning, embedded system, machine learning, Internet of Things, you know, industries in aerospace and defense, automotive, biotech and pharmaceutical, medical devices, railway systems, discipline in biological science, neuroscience, physics, art science, and etc. So these are the different applications. Now in academia, they have provided for the students, for the educators, and for the researchers. There is a support system. In this support system, you can find what you want. You can just type here. Okay. Now this is the documentation part. Examples, functions, blocks, apps, different types of apps they have designed and uploaded on this mathworks.com. You can download these apps by creating your ID and password. There they have given some videos, like just after clicking on the video link, you can get a lot of information on this. I'm going back. These are the functions. In the last class, I have shown about 7 to 10 pages containing functions. So these are the functions. These are already installed in our MATLAB. Suppose there is a function, just 2D line plot. If you want to plot, then use this function. I will use in this lab. I will show each and every function, basic functions, in today's class. Now going back, you can also find some apps here. Different apps they have uploaded, and every day they are uploading ongoing research in the form of files, in the form of apps. It is going slow. Okay. Now you can find a lot of, like image. I have typed here image. Okay, so related to image, I have got these information. Apps, they have mentioned 36 apps for image. Now image segmenter, image labeler, image viewer, image browser, and etc. Suppose just I'm going to click here. You can find this image segmentation. Now there is a facility expand all in page. So each and everything will be available on the samples here. Now going back, there is community. You can find a lot of events. Already conducted events or ongoing events. Okay, you can find here live events, on-demand webinars, conferences, etc. You can search it. So it is basic information. There is one support community solution. Yes, function. Suppose, or simply you can type here file editor. This is the path. Okay. Suppose I am typing here RGB. Great. So you can find a lot of information here. Am I audible to all the students?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you
Yes, sir.
student, please, if you are not able to listen me, then interrupt me. Just this is the basic information. I don't know you know or not, but just I want to give you more and more information so that you can have a lot of information. Okay, you can find a lot of help from this. I typed here RGB to gray. Now different ways to convert RGB image to gray image. This is the file which one person based on Rajat uploaded here. I am giving this information to you because you all can also upload your own files here in the MATLAB to explore your knowledge, to explore your ideas in this world. Suppose this is the scene classification. So, Manu BN. This man has uploaded 14 files. Okay, now these are the functions. This is the whatever they have performed. They have captured in a single image. So this is the application of image that a single image can give a lot of information. No need to read the information about the. This is the color plates. You can see white, pink, etc. Like I am typing here. So different peoples, different students, different researchers, they have implemented their ideas using MATLAB to detect something, to find out something for the conversion, etc. This guy have implemented COVID-19 face mask detection using the deep learning. Okay. So based on this application, you can explore your knowledge in terms of research papers और रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन और GUI आप अपना खुद का बना सकते हैं. So I think it is sufficient. करेंगे यहाँ पर उससे रिलेटेड आपको यहाँ कुछ ना कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. Like this one. Now this is the advantage of image. Just see here. I am not reading this image compression using SDD or the third line or this complete paragraph. Why? It will take time. Whereas I am just clicking on this image. Okay. So this complete image may contain a lot of information. So I think it is sufficient, or there is a need to give more information using this website. You can also download the MATLAB, or you can also download. Suppose I want to download this one. So just type here. This is the my ID. And I am going to type here my password. Okay, now after signing, I I will be able to download this. Are you getting? Are you getting or not? Yes. Hello.
Yes.
क्या है
Okay, so you can
Yes,
you
sir.
क्या
can
टप्पू थ्रोस अ बॉल
so you can download each and everything. Suppose any student, please say
ये
one
ये
word.
क्या है? ये लोग बनाने वाले तेरा तारक मेहता देखते हैं ये।
Gaurav, Gaurav Kumar.
यस सर यस सर
Yes.
Wait a minute.
What should I type here? According to you, just tell me. Any student, not only you. In the class, there are 79 students, and not a single student is responding me. Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek. Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, just tell me what you want to search here. What do you want to search here? Just tell me. Any other student?
Sir, GIF,
G I
F
F
to PNG.
to PNG. Okay. This GUI में होगा इसका ये है आपका image process, ठीक है? So just whatever you want to search or you want to download, type here. Suppose I have selected this one, image process. Okay. So this image process will give the function review and this. Just if I want to download, click on this tab download. Because I have logged in this, that's why I am able to download this one. So I am downloading it and saving in the folder detail image processing PIP material. Okay. Now, any other student, please? Yes. Yeah, it is just for you. This lab is just to gain a lot of information. Suppose if one student is not able to convert one RGB to gray, RGB to gray. So you can directly, they have given different way to convert RGB to gray. Download it again. Okay, in the same folder I have downloaded it. So it is sufficient. I am going to close this one. And again, it has a lot of application or area. Now moving on the software part. Now, second thing, you all students have to arrange a software MATLAB. Okay, either from your friend or from your college, or you can also download from the website mathworks.com. But I think if they provide you a trial version of 1 month, you know? So I have downloaded the software. So I am just typing MATLAB MATLAB. Are you able to notice this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is my MATLAB. I am going to this run command. So after clicking, सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करके सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कैसे करना है, यदि किसी स्टूडेंट को ये प्रॉब्लम भी आती है तो वो स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे डायरेक्टली पूछ सकता है। भोपाल में है, यदि नियर बाय अगर कैंपस या कोई इंस्टीट्यूट है तो आकर यहाँ समझ सकता है। It is taking some time. Okay. So those students, if they want to learn, collect more information about this MATLAB, so you can also read it from here also. These are different types of variables, history. They have also give the history about their release. In every 6 months, they updated their software and give a new name, new version, new release. Okay. Opening. It is opening. So MATLAB, it is a matrix laboratory. Now it has different areas of application. You can use this MATLAB for the analysis of signals, for the analysis of images, for the calculation, or for the or in the field of mathematical, or in differential equations, or in satellite communication for the images purpose, or in industries. You can use this software MATLAB. Okay. So how many windows are available on this screen? How many windows? Yes, how many windows?
3.
Okay. So, do you want to know the complete information which you are seeing on this window, or skip it? Should I skip this stage, or do you want to learn about the complete information about this window? Yes.
Skip, sir.
You
Sir.
know. Yes. Abhishek is telling that you can skip this. Any other students? So, Abhishek, what is this? What is the function of this live editor window here? This one.
Sir, here we can write set of statements.
Okay. Now, what about the workspace? What about the workspace? Just tell me. Otherwise, insufficient information may lead some problems in upcoming labs. Abhishek? Abhishek Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This workspace, what type of information it reflects here in the workspace?
Sir, value of any variables, or if I have entered some value in array, then it will be displayed there.
Okay. Now, there in the bottom command window, what is the basic difference between this command window and this editor window?
So command window is generally for one to line statements.
Okay, but after every command, you have to rewrite the second command if you want to continue from first. है ना? But here in case just type and save, or no need to save. You can write the complete write the complete functions or lines, maybe 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. Yeah. So it is an editor. Okay, just see this in this. Now I think it is visible to all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Copy image. Complete नहीं है. Okay, so this is the MATLAB desktop, complete one. Now this is the tool script. Here different types of tools are available. Now this is the current editor field. This line shows the current editor folder, or give the path where you have stored your files which you are going to run or save or extract. Now here this is the workspace browser, as Abhishek told. It reflects the value of different variables. Now this is the editor window. This is the editor window, as its name suggests. You can write, you can edit so many times, not only in a single line, but lines may be any number. This is the command window. Now the major difference in this command window and in the editor window is that in the command window it takes only one line at a time. Now this folder represents the current folder. This is the path. Now this DIPUM is the current folder, and in this current folder it reflects all the files which you have in that folder. So I think it is sufficient. Yes, this is the current folder browser. This is the live editor. तो ऊपर का जो बताया है command window बता चुका हूँ मैं. This is the command history, again you can check here. So now they have also given the description. Array editor, this one, command history. Array editor, view and edit array contents. Command history window, view a log of statements entered in the command window. Search for previously executed statements, copy them and re-execute them. Now command window, run MATLAB statements in this current folder browser. View and manipulates files in the current folder. Current folder field, it shows the path leading to the current folder. Editor, debugger or live editor, explained in the text already. Figure windows, it displays, modified, annotate and print MATLAB graphics. Now there is a figure window not shown here. When I will take an example and then I plot or show the image, then we will be able to see that. Now file comparisons, you detail the difference between two files. Help browser, view and search product documentation. अभी इसके बारे में बताता हूँ मैं आपको. Profile, it measures the execution time of the MATLAB function. MATLAB function को एग्जीक्यूट करने में कितना टाइम लगा है. जैसे अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड वर्क करते हैं तो उनका ये रहता है व्हाट इज द कंप्यूटेशनल टाइम ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट. So after setting here you can get this information. Now start button, run product tools and access the product documentation. Now last one is the workspace browser. Okay. Do and modify the content of the workspace. Okay. So now I'm going back. So current folder, editor window, workspace, command window. This is the search documentation. Now I am going to type here IMSSOW show. I am show. Okay, so display image, compare difference between images. I am clicking on this function. When I click, I am able to see these information. I am show. It is a name of function. Oh, sorry, it is a function which is used to display an image. So it is the basic function I am show. You can see the description and you can see a lot of things here. Yeah. So just take the same example. Just I am going to copy this and pasting here. Now closing it, I can okay, sorry. Before going to execute some programs, I want to complete this script. Okay, the information about some remaining points. Now at home, on this top, we have different tabs. New script. If you want to write a script, you can type here, do whatever. Okay, is that clear? Control delete. Now new script live. Now new script live means whatever you type here, you can run this to check your corresponding response. न्यू आपके पास में जो भी है अवेलेबल है, क्या आपको यूज करना है, फंक्शन यूज करना है, फंक्शन. इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट योर ओन फंक्शन देन यू कैन टेक दिस वन, है ना. ओके. Now in new, if you want to create your figure, etc. Now open means whatever you have already in your folder, you can open directly from this. Find files, you can find different files if you have. Import data. Suppose if I have some data, I have no data here. I have no data, but I can import data. Save workspace, whatever. Now you can directly save here. Right click. There is no option to save. Sir, actually यहाँ कुछ है नहीं इसलिए. Now new variables, open variables, layout. You can also set the path. Suppose add the folder. I am going to add one folder, this one. Okay, select किया आपने. Add सब folder. इसमें सब folder में कौन सा ऐड करना है आपको, आप यहाँ से सेट कर सकते हैं. DIP मटेरियल, ये आपने सेट कर दिया. इसका मतलब ये है आपने इसको सेव किया. जो भी इस पाथ में, इस फोल्डर में. Yes. Okay. I have said whatever you have. Now next is the plot. Whatever I have, I can plot using this function. I have different types of apps. Okay. Favorites, machine learning के लिए आपको जो भी यूज करना है. These are the machine learning apps. Math statistics and optimization. Now come to the image processing and computer vision. This is the image processing toolbox apps directly you can use. Now this is the editor window. This one is the editor window. जो भी हम यहाँ काम करेंगे आप, you can run it by section wise भी कर सकते हैं run. Sections are created by entering double this one, this. Okay. रन एंड टाइम के लिए आप यूज करेंगे, ये कंप्लीट आपका प्रोग्राम है। सेव करने के बाद में आप इसको करेंगे। पब्लिश करना है, आपको कोई फाइल है आपने बनाई है, इसको आप पब्लिश कर सकते हैं और उसको आप वेबसाइट पे अपलोड भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर लिए। सो इट इज सफिशिएंट। नाउ आई वांट टू डिलीट ऑल द फाइल्स। ओके, अब किसी को यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है तो पूछ ले। अब हम बात करते हैं इस मैटलैब को किस तरीके से यूज करते हैं। यस, एनी स्टूडेंट? किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है क्या? Yes? No. So first of all, because we know that this is the new script, but I am using live script. Okay, this one. I am using live script. Now I am just taking the same examples. Let's suppose okay. So सिंपल यदि हम इमेज की बात करते हैं तो an image may be defined as a two-dimensional function f of x, y, where this x and y are the spatial or plane coordinates, and the amplitude of f at any pair of coordinates x, y is called the intensity of the image at that point. So this is the complete definition of an image. So there are different types of, or we can say different terminologies related to the image, like gray level. It is used to refer to the intensity of monochrome grayscale images, color image, or found by combination of individual images. For example, RGB color systems, etc. Now here you can see image f of x by image f of RC. Okay. I am going to start using this x is equal to 70, suppose. Now just type in x equals to 17. Okay, so this is the way to create array 1, 8, 2, and 9. Okay, so you can see here in the workspace, these are the array which you have created 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9. Suppose if I have a matrix A,
Please zoom in.
yes, sir. Yes,
Please zoom in.
suppose I have taken here A it is equals to, I am going to create a matrix 16, 3, 2, 13, 5, 10, 11, 8, 9, 6, 7, 12, 4, 15, 14, and 1. So just take it and run selection. Then okay, so after taking it, I am able to see this. This is the vector. This is the matrix which I have created here. First row is 6, 3, 2, 3. Second row 5, 10, 11, 8, 9. Third row 9, 6. So I have created a matrix of 4 by 4. Or you can say, you can directly just type here. Now, if you want to see this A in this form, then it is just press A. So this is the first row, semicolon. This is the second row, semicolon. This is the third row, semicolon. This is the fourth row. Okay. Now you can also create Z is equals to 1, 2, 3, 10. Suppose I have written this only. So it is a single vector. It is a single vector which I have created without any column or semicolon. Now we can also plot. Just take the same, this one, or directly just click here or click on this and go to the plots. Then we can select out of these available plots. Okay. So just take select this one, plot this. So we are able to plot this one. Okay. Are you able to see this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it depends on your practice. Do more practice. Do more practice to learn about the MATLAB. Now another way is for one-dimensional. Suppose I have a function. Just I'm going to copy and paste to save the time. I have opened this another one. Now there is a problem if somebody want to start your work afresh, then there is a need to clean this workspace this command window and this editor window also. So directly you can use these three lines for this one. Okay, just click this, run this, everything is clean. Workspace, MATLAB, command window, there is one detail information. So this CLC clear all, one is close all. If you want to know about the clear all, then just type here in this. So I am taking this. Okay. Now type this one. You will be able to create a section. Every time just enter shift and percentage. This double percentage is used to create sections. Okay, so just I run it to clear workspace, command window. Now this is the function. This is the function. You can also evaluate one by one here. This okay. This is the function. What is the function? X is equals to 0, pi by 100, 2 pi. So there is one that is pi by 100. The range is 0 to 2 pi. Range is 0 to 2 pi. Now there is a relation by it is equals to sine of x, and x we have defined this. Okay, we have defined this. So by it is a sine of x, there this it is a relation. So you can also see this one. They have given different range. ओके 0 से 2 पाई तक की जो भी आपकी रेंज है वो सारी यहाँ पर दी हुई है. ओके, जो भी वैल्यूज है. नाउ सेकंड just run it by it is equals to sine of x, sine of x. So these are the corresponding values of y for sine of x. Okay, now if I want to plot between this y and x, so just take plot bracket के अंदर x comma y, run it. So you will be able to plot this on x-axis 0 to 7, on y-axis -1 to +1, because the value of sine is -1 minimum and +1 maximum. So now as I click on this line or curve, I am able to see the value of x coordinate and y coordinate. Here, everywhere. So now again there is a facility that you can play with this figure. फाइल में जाकर आप एडिट में जाने के बाद में कॉपी कर सकते हैं इस फिगर को. आई हैव कॉपीड दिस फिगर. No, I can paste here. Okay. Now I want to paste here with different legends. So I can add legends. Properties में जाने के बाद में access properties में these are different things. I think these will be learned by the student. Now you can see here property inspector method. आप फिगर में बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं. और you can also just right click here, show the legend, color, font size क्या रखना है. You can set the font size है ना. एक्सेस आपको क्रिएट करनी है. You can also create the access. Add data करना, you can also add the data. So lot of things are given to add in the plot or figure. So So in this way you can plot various plots. Now I am moving on the image, going close it. Abhishek Anand. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
So let's start now for image. So I have created this bird file 22.7 means 22 July, and in this I have 121 pages. So you can see, you can understand, I have collected a lot of information or material to give more and more information to all the students. But the only thing is that we all have to concentrate in the lab. You have to concentrate on your practice. Then only you will be able to execute all the things. Just I want to show different programs which I have created in a single Word file. दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको ये सब?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are in 120 pages, 125 pages, है ना? So you can see, I think most of the basic examples or programs I have covered here. So it depends on you. There are too many spelling or grammatical errors. Okay. So I am just going from the basics, है ना? आपको इमेज कैसे इमेज को कैसे लोड करना है, इमेज को कैसे रीड करना है, इमेज को कैसे शो करना है, इमेज को कैसे प्लॉट करना है, इमेज को कैसे सबट्रैक्ट करना है, इमेज को कैसे ऐड करना है, ठीक है, इमेज को कैसे उसको उसकी इमेज की क्वालिटी को इंक्रीज करना है, इमेज की क्वालिटी को एनहेंस करना है, उसमें नॉइज है तो उसको डिटेक्ट कैसे करना है, नॉइज है तो उसको रिमूव कैसे करना है, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस लाइक और एंड एक्सॉर, ये दो इमेज के बीच में कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे. अर्थमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आपको किस तरीके से परफॉर्म करनी है. सो देयर इज वन थिंग that you have to understand. Suppose it is A and it is B. These are the matrix. Now here I am getting one information. Open this file as a live script. Are you want to open this file as a live script? I click on this. तो आपका इस तरीके का आ जाएगा, ये जो लाइव स्क्रिप्ट में आपका ये वाला आ जाएगा. बट आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग दिस ओनली. क्लोज इट. एडिटर विंडो, रन इट. Clear all, close all. So let's see. Now run it. Okay. Now I want to load one image in this MATLAB. So what is the procedure? It is very simple. जिस इमेज को आप लोड करना चाहते हैं उस इमेज का आपको नाम मालूम होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you must know the name of image along with its format. Whether the image have been saved in text form or PNG form or JPG form or other forms. Okay. So if I want to read one image, the name of the image is cameraman.tiff. It is already given in the MATLAB. So just type here I is equals to I am read. Okay. So अभी मैंने आपको बताया just type here in the I am read, just take. So read image from the graphics. Okay. This is the. So you can also enter here 1% space and paste here. So along with this code, I am also writing here the command read image from the graphics or the folder. So just run it. Okay. Now after running in the command window, what command I have given here? I equals to I am read. किसी बच्चे के माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं आया कि सर ने आई ही क्यों माना है यहाँ पर? यस, एनी स्टूडेंट प्लीज. आस्था गोयल, अभिषेक कुमार.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you any doubt why I have taken here I only? Maybe I am also. Okay, this is the variable which I am taking. But this I am read, it is fixed. Suppose यदि मैं इस I am read को I am e करता हूँ, तो उसके बाद रन करूँगा तो रन होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. क्यों? Because see here in the command window, because of my typing mistake, I have typed here I am READ, एक और D मैंने ऐड कर दिया एक्स्ट्रा. So that's why I am getting error. Undefined function I am read T2 are the input argument. Okay. So just again do it. So I am running this one. So I am able to see in the workspace, and when I clicked on this icon I am able to see all the variables here. Okay. Now the value represents that it has 256 rows and 256 columns. So the matrix जो यहाँ इस इमेज की है वो 256 by 256 का बना है. इसका मतलब जो मैं आपको यहाँ बताना चाह रहा था, कोई इमेज है आपका, आपने A1 लिया, यदि ये आपका 256 by 256 है. नाउ सो आपका इस यहाँ पर ये पहला जो एलिमेंट है, इस पहले एलिमेंट की जो वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, वो जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है आपकी 156. इज दैट क्लियर? हेलो,
यस सर.
मैं जब किसी स्टूडेंट से पूछूं तो किसी ना किसी को तो रेस्पॉन्ड करना ही है. पता चला मैं यहाँ एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, बता रहा हूँ और आप लोग बस. आशुतोष चौधरी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. But sir, my network is little slow. So I guess I'm not
Yes.
seeing. Hello.
Yes. Tell me, what are you saying?
Yes, sir. My network is little slow, so I'm not seeing the screen properly.
Okay, no problem. You can see it again. The recording is going on. No problem. Okay. Or you
Okay,
can
sir.
ask me. You can ask me it at any time. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
just I want to explain. सभी स्टूडेंट इमेज प्रोसेसिंग यूजिंग मैटलैब कर लेते हैं, बट उनको ये पता नहीं होता कि जब हम इमेज को मैटलैब में ले जाते हैं तो क्या होता है एक्चुअली। हम एडिशन कर लेते हैं इमेज का, सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लेते हैं और उसका ओरिंग कर लेते हैं, बट दे डोंट नो। सो जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ इट इज माय इमेज, cameraman.tif. So when I clicked here, I got one information that it has 256 row and 256 column. Now the first element, the value of the first element is 156, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Similarly 10th element है ना, इस तरीके से आपका मूव होगा both side, and this is the last element 113. Okay, 256 position पे. So this is the image which I have loaded in the matrix, in the MATLAB. So this is the image cameraman I have loaded in the workspace. Is that clear? Now the cameraman, this is the image, the cameraman. Now it is in my in the form of matrix. It is in my hand in the form of matrix. Now we know to play with the matrix. I can get any information from this matrix. Okay, is that clear? Because I think सभी स्टूडेंट ने मैट्रिक्स वगैरह ये सब पढ़ा हुआ होगा मैथमेटिक्स में. Now this is these are different variables. If I want to plot this, plot here, I can take any plot. Okay. Now suppose I want to plot this only. I have this information. Okay. If I want to plot these two, I have this type of information. If I take all, I am going to plot a bar chart. Okay, then I will be able to plot this 256 here, 256 here. Now, the second thing is that I have loaded my image in the MATLAB, which I am able to see in my workspace with 256 by 256 dimensions. Now, मुझे दूसरा काम ये करना है कि इसको मुझे इमेज को देखना है, ये इमेज कैसी दिखाई देती है. So there is figure. Okay, this is figure 1. As I run it, this is the figure. Okay, so this is the figure of my cameraman. Now I can skip this, no need to it. Just remember only what I am SHOW in the bracket. Write the name of image which you have created in the workspace, capital I. Okay, just run it. Again, I am able to see the image. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can also give the title for the image. Just add one line here. You can add the title also, giving a comma. What is the name? Original image और my image, जैसा आप चाहे वैसा यहाँ टाइप कर सकते हैं. You are free. My name. Okay. Now again I am going to run it. So you are able to see this my name. Now in the MATLAB, they have provided a facility that you can also increase or decrease the size of title if you have given here my name. Okay, आपके यहाँ एक ग्राफ होगा, एक फिगर होगा, उसमें आप जाएंगे, उसकी एक फाइल होगी, उस फाइल में उसमें साइज लिखा होगा 10 की जगह आप 15 कर दीजिए तो और बड़ा साइज दिख जाएगा. If you because there lot of things are there in the MATLAB with the image processing only, but it is the first lab. I want to share the basic and important information only. So this is the figure. Now अब ये हमने एक इमेज को रीड कर लिया है, उसको हमने शो भी कर लिया है. क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर ने बोला है आपको एक एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करना है और उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करने के बाद में उसकी फाइल सेव करना है. सेव करने के बाद में उस फाइल को आपको पेस्ट करना है प्रैक्टिकल फाइल बनाते वक्त, या उसको आपको मुझको शेयर करना है. तो अब इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट होता है आप इसको सेव कैसे करेंगे. सेव करने का सिंपल तरीका है, जस्ट सी दिस टूल बार and it is a save edited document, or you can also use Control S. Do you know Control S? Ayush Singh. Okay, no problem. Akshit Panwar. Akshit. Astha Goyal.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is Control S? What is the function of Control S?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can also save this using Control S. But important thing which I want to tell you, just wait, save it. Now it is asking where you want to save. So I am going to save it in my folder July, December, BIP lab material. Okay. So क्या नाम रखना चाहेंगे आप इसका? EXP. Okay. Image load है ना. Now see this. Okay, this is the image. So जो आपने इसको सेव किया है, अब I am going to change the path, so I can change the path from here. Select H is my right, my folders, this one in this DIP and moving on DIP lab material. Okay. So I am able to see the different files which I have saved in my folder. So look at the file which I have saved right now. What is the name? Image. So image load. Okay. Are you able to see this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now I am going to close each and everything. इसको भी मैं क्लोज करता हूँ. ठीक है. मेरे पास जितने भी वेरिएबल्स हैं सब मैंने डिलीट कर दिए. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है ना. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे पास में जो भी दिस इज द करंट फोल्डर इन माय पाथ. ये जो मैंने प्रोग्राम बनाया, पहली चीज तो ये है, इसमें जो आपको याद रखनी है कि इसमें जो मैटलैब में जो भी फाइल सेव होती है वो .m के फॉर्म में सेव होती है. .m Now you can see I have different images. It is in JPG format, it is in PNG format, and it is in GIF format. Okay, so I am going to again load the same image. Oh, sorry, I am going to open the function. So just double click, you will be able to open this. Or in other way, this is open. Yes, you can see here. Visible है आपको ये? Run this complete. You can directly run this. Is it clear? Now I have some functions. Okay. This is first function which I am going to open here. आप समझ में आ गया होगा शायद. मैं थोड़ा सा अदर एग्जांपल्स की हेल्प से और अदर चीजें आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ. So I have come to know now there is one command. If you want to know the information of the loaded image which I have run here, okay. Now whatever you have typed here, if you want to, if you do not want to type again, then in our keyboard there is one arrow upward. Just click that. Just click that. You will be able to see the earlier command. So just copy. Now this one. Yes. Now I want to know the information of the image. Info. I am information के लिए IMF info. And if I want to know the complete information of an image, CAMERAMAN cameraman. Sorry, it is in small. CAMERAMAN cameraman dot TIFF. Just click. Okay, now see the workspace. Now just click on it. Then in the editor window, we have a lot of information about this image, like file name, it is stored in this, like file mode, like file size, file format, TIF. I am using it again and again, TIF. Height, width 256, height 256, bit depth at, color type grayscale because it is a grayscale image. It is a grayscale image. Gray means it has a range of pixel or intensity in a range 0 to 256. 0 to 256. 0 means black, and beyond that increasing towards white. Now other information you can notice. Is that clear? This is the function you want to know. So you can see different information. There is one another example. Just run it. You will be able to this figure here. Okay. Now I have this program here. So I am just first I am going to clear all the things which I have created in workspace, in command window. Now see here, this is the image. I am read, name of image is glaucoma.jpg. So this is the image which I have loaded in the lab. Cannot display some results. Now here there is a function RGB to gray. Now I am not interested to type again and again in the search. So you can also just select the bird and evaluate selection, open this, help this or whatever. आपको जो भी चाहिए आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा. Okay. So this is the function which have been added in the MATLAB. So RGB to gray किसका करना है I का. So just take it, run it. So RGB to gray, I will get here this information. Okay. RGB to gray means you have different values here, 0 to 256. Now there is one command subplot. Before going to complete this program, I want to explain the beauty in the multiple plots. Suppose I have suppose two images, then there is no need to plot in different figures, like in figure number 1 in one image and in figure number 2 second image. If I want to see both the images in a single figure, then there is a function subplot. Okay, so this subplot function will plot the images, but you have to select the position. So you can select the position. Suppose आपके पास में image है, you have selected 3/2 row. इसका मतलब ये टोटल images कितनी हुई 6 आपकी. तो ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा आपका 3/2. तो आप 3 रो या सिंपल 3 इस तरीके से आपकी इमेज आएंगी. ओके, 2/2 की है तो आप इस तरीके से इमेज ले सकते हैं 4. So similarly, this is the bit to write here. Subplot 331, 332, 334, 335, 335, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. And you can also give the title. So here I am using subplot 2 to 1. 2 to 1 means 2 row and 2 column, and this one represents the first image. So I am I am going to run this part only. So this is the first image. Are you able to see it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I have created a figure. This is the figure number 1, and I want to plot 4 sub images in the same figure. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So ये क्या रहेगा आपका 2 रो 2 कॉलम. तो 2 2 1 मतलब ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 2 रो 2 कॉलम. 1 मतलब पहली इमेज, 2 2 2 मतलब सेकंड इमेज, फर्स्ट इमेज, सेकंड इमेज, थर्ड इमेज एंड फोर्थ इमेज. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
I am also interested to give the title in the image. So just type here. You can type here this title either here or in the below line. Okay. Now subplot P2 I am hist मैंने इसके साथ में कुछ किया है. I am hist क्या होता है? एक अलग फंक्शन है, हिस्टोग्राम इक्वलाइजेशन है. उसको अपन ने ऑटो कर दिया है, सेकंड पार्ट आ जाएगा. तो जस्ट सी इट. Okay, so they have plotted this one. अभी complete figure नहीं है, complete इसको run करते हैं. Okay, so I think it is clear to all. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it is my input image. I have also written the title of image. This is the histogram equalized image. This histogram equalization, it is a method which is used to improve the quality of an image. So you can see the quality again here. Now is that clear? Now I have another
Yes, sir.
example. Another example. I am going to open this. बहुत सारे program first I am going to run. Actually, I have created it in 3 sections. Okay, now this is the section second, this is the section third. So first always I run this one only because I don't want to unwanted things open in the workspace or in the command window, etc. Now this is my. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
मतलब मैंने क्या इनपुट इमेज लिया, उसका हिस्टोग्राम प्लॉट किया, हिस्टोग्राम बार फंक्शन से प्लॉट किया, स्टेप फंक्शन से प्लॉट किया और प्लॉट फंक्शन से प्लॉट किया. Okay. Now this is the case for this only, and coding simple है. I have loaded the image, I have converted the image, I have also resized the image. Resize the image means now again I am going to back run it. Now the size of this image is 538 by 580. दिखाई दे रहा है 538 by 580. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I want to see this image only, then I am so I just है ना, I am so I. मुझको देखना भी है इस इमेज को, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, इसको यहाँ रन करूँगा. इमेज दिखाई दी मुझे, साइज बड़ा है या नहीं? It is bigger or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, so why resizing is required, or what is the necessity of resizing? So let's just in a single sentence. In the present scenario, there are some techniques like machine learning or deep learning, and they have designed different models. They have also designed that if you want to classify different different images, then they have also defined the size of image. 224 by 224. Why they have decided I don't know, but they have decided 224 by 224. यदि आपकी इमेज का साइज 224 by 224 है, तो वो इमेज उसमें प्रोसेस होगी. यदि उससे अलग है तो नहीं हो पाएगी. Okay, so this is the necessity, or it depends on your interest. Okay, now what I did here, again I want to show. कॉपी किया, इसी के साथ में इसको यहाँ पर पेस्ट कर दिया. आपने इसको अब दिखाई दिया आपको इमेज.
Yes, sir.
So in this case the size is reduced. Now I am resized. Just either you can copy and paste in the search window, then you can move on resize image window. So I am resize, it is a function, and the explanation is resize image. Description you can also read here. It gives this information. Okay. Now this is the रिसाइज किसको करना है वो यहाँ आएगा, और कितने स्केल से करना है वो उसके कॉमा के बाद में आएगा। सपोज हियर दे हैव लोडेड दिस इमेज, और बोल दिया उन्होंने जो आपकी इमेज है आए जिसको लोड किया है मैटलैब में, उसको आप 0.5 से रिसाइज कर दीजिए। तो मैंने कर दिया अनुसार, ठीक है, दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So I have resized it in 256 स्पेस के बाद में 256, मतलब जो रो मेरा इसके पहले में 256 नहीं था, आई थिंक 500 समथिंग था, और कॉलम भी 500 समथिंग था, तो मैंने 256 बार 256 ले लिया और इसको कर दिया, और ये कुछ अलग पैरामीटर्स लिए। तो जस्ट आई एम स्किपिंग दिस एंड वांट टू शो that there are very simple functions. Now this is the plan. Okay, so if some students are interested to go with MATLAB, image processing using MATLAB, or if some students are interested to do some research oriented work or simple project related works, then they can do, because I am very much interested that you students can detect something or classify different types of images or medical diseases using the image processing, or using the machine learning, or using the deep learning, or with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, because the image processing with incorporation or association with machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence, everywhere it is using. Now next is, suppose I want to close all the things and don't want to save, because हमको सेव करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हैं। उसमें ये सेकंड वाला पार्ट रह गया था, इसको मैं रन करता हूँ, इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसको रन करता हूँ, इसमें भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। ठीक है, मैंने एक कोड लिया है और कोड को नाम दिया है हमने सेगमेंटेशन, कुछ किया हुआ है, इमेज है, सेगमेंटेशन की कुछ प्रोसेस वगैरह होती है, और उसमें ये इतने सारे मेरे ओरिजिनल इमेज हैं, सेगमेंटेशन के बाद में है डिफरेंट टाइप्स की इमेजेज हैं जो मैंने यहाँ पर यूज की है, उनको प्लॉट करके यहाँ पर शो करना है। Now again I want to, it has some problem. Now see, detection techniques, if you want to detect the edge or some other things using different operators like Sobel operator, different Robert, Crossing, Laplacian, and Kenny operator. So first there is a need to load the image, then after I can implement the code. So this is the beauty, that beauty in subplot, that you can plot a number of figures in a single figure. Original image, I have detected the edges of image using different types of operators. So you can select a better one for your application. Now again it had some different code which I have used here. So you can see this is my noisy image. You can see the noise, or we can say dash, yeah, some small dots. Grayscale conversion, noisy resize image, noisy image in double precision, noisy image, reprocessed image, transform image, reconstructed image. So you can see the difference between the reconstructed image and this first one image. Okay, there is a in this image there is a noise. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
but after the removal of noise, I obtained this one. I think in this there is no noise. Is that clear? Now
Yes,
next
sir.
image, I want to run first this one. This is the original image. I have plotted the magnitude spectrum on log scale and reconstructed it. Now again, this is another way. Suppose this is my program. How I can create an image. Okay. Hello. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Creation of image with lines. Okay. लाइंस की हेल्प से आप इमेज कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, कैसे बना सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द वे हम इसको कवर करेंगे, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू विजुअल. ये अभी जो फाइल मैंने बनाई थी वो है सेव. अच्छा, इसके बाद और भी है हमारे पास में प्रोग्राम्स. So here you can see this is the original image. This is the salt and pepper noise. Now again I have smoothened it in 3x3, 5x5, then applied medial filtering 3x3 and 5x5. Then we are able to remove this detected noise. Here it is noisy. First, second, third, fourth all have a noise, but this has no noise. Is that clear? Okay, now it is my original image with 128 gray level, 64 gray level. यदि हम नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स कम करते हैं तो हमारी इमेज कैसी दिखाई देती है, ये उसके लिए है. जस्ट टू चेक द इफेक्ट ऑफ. ओके, सो अगेन आई हैव सम. किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट है क्या यहाँ तक? So this is the code to convert the RGB, or we can say suppose I have one image, and the image it is RGB. Sorry. स्टूडेंट करते हैं. But more example, just see it. I have image onion.png. Now this onion.png एक इमेज है जो कि ऑलरेडी मैटलैब में अवेलेबल है, बट एक कलर्ड इमेज है. So in the previous example, I have written here capital I, but right now in this example, I am going to write RGB. It is my choice. So first I am read to load the image. Then I have given some parameters here, or we can say I am interested to extract the red component, green component, and blue component separately. So just run the code. So कुछ दिखाई दिया आपको, आप सभी को?
Yes, sir.
इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है या नहीं ये लैब में आपको?
आ रहा है सर.
आ रहा है.
अभिषेक, इसमें
Yes, sir.
are you taking interest or not? इतने सभी प्रोग्राम्स हमने बना के रख लिए हैं, और लैब के लिए हमको सिर्फ 8 से 10 प्रोग्राम करने हैं, है ना? तो अब स्टूडेंट्स की साइड से मुझे ये सुनने में नहीं आना चाहिए कि सर मुझको इमेज में ऐसा नहीं आता, वैसा नहीं आता, है ना? ये किसी के साथ में नेटवर्क का इशू या बैंडविड्थ का इशू तो नहीं है अभी?
सर कंप्यूटर विजन और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? दोनों तो सेम ही, मतलब कोड भी तो सेम ही है दोनों का.
नहीं, कंप्यूटर विजन में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस इमेज का ही यूज होता है, लेकिन उसमें मैं बताऊंगा आपको. जैसे रियल लाइफ में एग्जांपल के लिए मूविंग कार को आपको डिटेक्ट करना है, या मैं मूविंग कंडीशन में हूँ और आप इफ यू वांट टू डिटेक्ट दैट हैव आई बियर्ड मास्क और नॉट. Okay, so there is a camera or webcam, there is a computer, there is a code, है ना? So these things make a computer vision. Nirmal, actually image processing, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, अब ये बिल्कुल कोरिलेटेड हो चुके हैं सभी. इमेज के बिना मशीन और डीप लर्निंग किस पे लगाओगे, है ना? किसने पूछा था ये क्वेश्चन?
यस सर.
अभिषेक, अभी क्या है अभिषेक? आपके पास में इमेज भी है, मशीन लर्निंग भी है, वेबकैम भी है, मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट को भी डिटेक्ट करना है, या आपके आसपास कहीं कोई चोर आया है उसको पहचानना है, तो आप किस तरीके से पहचानोगे? तो इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए ही आपका ये पूरा कंप्लीट पैकेज है जो वर्क करता है. इमेज प्रोसेसिंग, सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग, हार्डवेयर, कैमरास, आजकल IoT भी ऐड हो चुका है, आपको ऑलरेडी ऑटोमेटिकली पता चल जाएगा. मशीन लर्निंग, डीप लर्निंग, फिर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है क्या? Okay. So
Yes,
in this figure, just see, it is my original image, and this original image, it is a colored image, and students are interested to extract the red component, green component, and blue component separately. Why they are interested? To extract or to decompose a colored image into its corresponding red component, green component, and blue component. I don't know, it depends on their requirement. Na? Okay. So now this is the figure in which you can see, you can plot this with the help of subplot. Now using view, you can also change some properties here. Okay. Now there is one more example. If we want to calculate the compression ratio, so for it there is a formula to calculate the compression ratio. आपका आ जाएगा आंसर 1.7965. आपने इमेज को लोड किया है, उसको टाइटल दिया है, इंफॉर्मेशन ओपन की है. अब देयर इज अ फार्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द नेक्स्ट थिंग. Now we have some arithmetic operations. So can we implement the arithmetic operation MATLAB also or not? Implement कर सकते हैं क्या अभिषेक?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So इसी के लिए मैंने पहला ये जो डायग्राम है यहाँ प्लॉट किया था, बट मैं कुछ और बताने लगा था. सपोज मेरे पास में एक मैट्रिक्स ए है, दूसरा मैट्रिक्स बी है. ए मैट्रिक्स के एलिमेंट्स हैं ए के और ए बी के. सो आप आई थिंक एवरी स्टूडेंट नो इफ वी वांट टू ऐड मैट्रिक्स ए विद द मैट्रिक्स बी, सो इसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? इसमें आंसर आप बताइए. कोई एक स्टूडेंट एक बताते जाइए. यहाँ पहला एलिमेंट कैसे आएगा?
1 + 2.
1 + 2. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट
2 + 4.
2 + 4. थर्ड एलिमेंट 3
+ 6.
Okay, so here 3, 6 and 9. तो इस तरीके से हमें लिख सकते हैं. Okay?
Yes sir.
सिमिलरली यदि हमने दो इमेज ली है और उन दोनों इमेजेस को हमने मैटलैब में लोड कर दिया है, तो एक इमेज को आपने नाम दिया है I1, दूसरी इमेज को आपने नाम दिया है I2, तो आप उसको I1 + I2 कर सकते हो. ठीक है, और उसको आप लिख सकते हो इस तरीके से. इसको कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं, I सम दे सकते हैं हम, I1 + I2, तो आपके पास में आंसर आ जाएगा. इसके लिए समझते हैं एग्जांपल की हेल्प से. So we know different arithmetic operations, and these includes the addition of image, subtraction of image, multiplication of image, and division of images. Okay. Suppose I have two images, image 1 and image 2, and we know that image 1 will be I1 of x, y, I2 of x, y, and if I want to add these two, then type here +1, then in the left side write I resultant for x and y. Okay. So first of all, I am interested to run this one only, because I want to remove everything which is available in the workspace in one window. Now see, I1 is my image camera TIFF, I2 is my image rise.png. So I have selected two images. These are available here. Okay. Now I want to subplot. Okay, I want to subplot to see my two input images. So students, now I have taken image I1 and second image I2. Image I1 is my original image cameraman. Image I2 is my original image rise.png. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay. So now I want to see the matrix. This is the matrix for first image and this is the matrix for second image. Similarly, which I have explained here, matrix A, and these are the corresponding elements of matrix A. This is the matrix B, and these are the corresponding elements of the matrix B. Now I want to add these. Images, or we can say these elements in as I have covered here. So just see, this is the image 1. These are the variables. This is the image 2. These are the its corresponding components. Now take what? Addition of two images. Now cut it. Type here. Is there any option to bold the letters? Yes, any student? Yes. So I want to add these two images. So I have written here addition of two images. Addition means I have written here capital I, which is equals to I1 plus I2. I1 मेरा क्या है? Cameraman, which I have written here. I2 rise.png. So this is the output. Now you can see here the output. Now, if you want to check, which I have explained here, for the addition of two matrix, cross it, check it. This is the first element, 1 1 for first image. This is the second. This is the first element for the 1 1 position of image 2. So add these two components, 156 plus 122. क्या आना चाहिए आंसर? हाँ, कोई
178.
ऐड करके बता, 156 प्लस 122, so 200
178. So 278.
278. So इसका मतलब है कि एडिशन में क्या आना चाहिए? 270. So but it is different. Why it is different? Because we have given a range for the grayscale from 0 to 256. From 0 to 256. So if we are getting maximum value, then write the maximum value 255 only. Now for this 159 plus 92 कितना होगा? ऐड करिए, 92 plus 159. Yes, 159 means 160 and 90 means 250 around. So it is 251. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना? If we are getting more than 255 or 256 like 300, then we have to write 255 only, because we have defined the range from 0 to 256. Okay. So similarly I can image हमने show नहीं किया अभी, so just check it. Addition of two images, just see it. So now this is the figure number 3, addition of two images, 1 and 2. Yes, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now similarly we can subtract the first I1 minus I2. Similarly other things. So just run this complete. ठीक है, देख लिया आपने ना? इस तरीके का आपका आंसर आएगा, है ना, सब्ट्रैक्शन में ही आएगा आपको। Similarly, we can perform some logical operations like ANDing, ORing, etc. I think the image is not clear in this. Fish, goldfish, goldfish, goldfish. Actually, goldfish is not here, है ना? You can take any figure. इसको लेकर देखते हैं मैनिट लोगो, ठीक है? इसका एक्सटेंशन क्या है? JPG। देखा आपने? क्या लिखे? टाइप करेंगे हम यहाँ पर JP, कुछ दिखाई दिया आपको? हेलो।
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the histogram equalization. I think it is enough. Actually, the okay, these images of coins are already given in the MATLAB. So again, for noisy, you can detect. अब किसी स्टूडेंट को यदि कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लें आप। राहुल सोनी, तुषार गुप्ता, कुणाल, तन्मय चौहान, तन्मय चौहान, जतिन कश्यप, आस्था गोयल।
Yes, sir.
बेटा बाकी स्टूडेंट्स लीव कर गए हैं क्या?
सर आइडिया नहीं है, पता।
आपको समझ में आया ये जो आज की लैब में बताया है? दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर द लैब डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think this first lab will help you for all the complete session. Abhishek Anand,
सर यस सर
ये जो आज का लैब किया है डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग यूजिंग मैटलैब, फर्स्ट लैब है आपका इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है, इसमें कवर किया है पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर में आप किस तरीके से वर्क करते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर के क्या डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस हैं और सिग्नल्स से लेकर आपने इमेज को किस तरीके से उसमें लोड किया, उसको किस तरीके से आप शो करते हैं, सब प्लॉट का कैसे यूज करना है, बहुत सारी इमेजेस के बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स लेकर आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बता दी हैं. तो ये सब क्लियर है, कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इसमें?
यस सर क्लियर है सर.
अच्छा, अब नेक्स्ट आपको जो करना वो है कि यू हैव टू अरेंज MATLAB software, okay, so that from the next lab on the same day we can perform at least one experiment, and I expect from all the students that they have to perform the assigned experiment, and after the completion of the experiment they have to post their output in the chat box or in the our Microsoft Teams. And from your class 5th semester CS and IT, if some students are interested to work with image processing, machine learning, deep learning for the detection of COVID-19 images from the chest X-ray images or CT scan images, or if want to work on the medical images or medical signals, then they can contact me. Okay, my contact number I think is you can say or you can collect from the WhatsApp group. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
in the first class I have not introduced myself, so I am removing my mask, so you can see. Are you able to see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
फिर से लगा लेते हैं अभी. So myself Dr. Bhupen Singh Krar, and I have completed my BE, MTech and PhD from reputed institutes like our schools Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Samrat Ashok Technological Institute Vidisha, Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology Bhopal, and again highest qualification from MANIT Bhopal. I have also published one book, Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering.